Pressure washer maintenance. The pressure washer must be maintained regularly to assure that it is always in operating condition. There are several steps involved in maintaining and winterizing these units. Inlet filter maintenance. The pressure washer is equipped with an inlet filter to control sediment from the tank. This will prevent debris and sediment from the tank entering the lines and damaging the equipment. The filter is located at the rear of the box and must be cleaned weekly. To do this, first shut off the flow valve from the external tank and then remove the filter by turning it clockwise. Remove the strainer and clear away any debris from the filter housing. Once this is clear, replace the strainer and the housing. Winterizing. To prepare the pressure washer for storage in the winter months, the following procedures must be followed daily. First, remove the strainer housing and clear away any debris. Then, open the supply valve and drain the excess water from the external tank, allowing all the water to drain from the tank. Also, open the petcock on the valve below the hose reel, along with all other valves in the wash line. As the water drains, extend the hose reel line fully to allow the excess water to flow from the line. Allow all the water to drain from the system. Don't forget to drain the bottom valve located at the very bottom front of the external tank. Once the water has drained from the system, reel in the hose and close the hose reel supply line valve. Reinstall the supply line filter, being sure not to cross-thread the filter. Antifreeze flush. To prepare the unit for storage overnight in the winter months, we must flush the system with antifreeze. To do this, attach the enclosed antifreeze flush lines to the appropriate fittings. Place the hose attached to the clean water fill line in a container of antifreeze, and place the return hose line attached to the secondary supply line in an empty 5-gallon bucket. Once the hoses are properly attached and in their respective containers, engage the PTO lever. This will start the flow of antifreeze into the system and will protect the unit from freezing. Once the antifreeze begins to flow out of the secondary supply line, disengage the PTO, remove the hoses, and allow the excess antifreeze to drain into a 5-gallon bucket. Store the hoses in the pressure washer box for use the next day. Place the spent antifreeze in the branch accumulated waste drum.